Hi everyone, this is part 2 of my Joann's Black Friday haul. It's been a nightmare to get everything in. Today is December 8th, and I think this is the last of my products that came in today. I do have to give them a call to figure out what's going on. I have one order that says that it's waiting to get picked up since the 24th of November. It just says like label created, pending pickup. I don't think I'm getting that. So I'm going to go see if my local Joann's has anything left. I doubt it, but I'm going to go look to see what they have. Like one of the items I really wanted was the card kit. And that's one of the things that got canceled. So I have part of my order is canceled. Part of it is pending to come. I just don't think I'm going to get any of that. So I need to call them to make sure I get a refund on all of that because that's a lot of stuff. There's probably about like 15 items that are either canceled or pending. So I need to look into it. I can imagine how much Joann spent to ship me my items so far. It's probably come over 12 packages. So this was literally by itself. It came just like this. I don't know how it wasn't broken. It was just in a like poly bag mailer. So I'm really shocked that it survived. So these are little gingerbread guys. I was trying to collect them all, but I'm not going to end up getting them because some of them were in that pending order. So there's that guy. I got these bingo kits. Everything I got was like 50% off, and I had an extra coupon to stack that was like 20% off. So I got one for crafting, one to actually use with Sunny and my nephews. So that's why I got 2 of these. And then look, the little like token pieces to cover up our little peppermints. It's going to make really good ephemera. You can also cut this up to make ephemera. You can use just the bingo part in a junk journal. So lots of ideas for those. I also got this card kit. It's a dimensional card kit. So with these were like super cheap. Can't remember how much they were, but I think it was like under $5. And this one only makes 3 cards. So it has 3 cards, 3 envelopes, and 102 pieces of ephemera. I cannot use that much ephemera for 3 cards. So these kits are going to be amazing. I cannot wait to see how much extra ephemera that I have. Definitely stay tuned. Come back to my channel because I am going to be opening these and building them with you guys on camera. This one recommends getting string lights. I think that's a really, really cute idea. I know Dollar Tree sometimes has those little fairy lights. So I'm going to go see if I can find any of those because I love the idea of adding it in. And then it says you basically just need glue. And then this pack does come with rhinestones and instructions. So that's going to be really fun to build. This one is a layering kit. And when it came looking like this, I'm like, that looks really weird. So when I looked in the back, it was taped closed with like their kind of tape. Just like masking tape, scotch tape. So I opened it up and the bag does look sealed. So I was like, okay, everything's in there. So I wasn't too worried. But yeah, when it came with the instructions like on the front right there, I'm like, that doesn't look normal. And then with that tape, but I think everything's there. So this one makes 8 cards, 184 pieces of ephemera. This one comes with rhinestones and some string. And like this little layered one of this little ornament with a little village is so stinking cute. I cannot wait to dive in and open these. Okay, this one came by itself in one of those like poly mailers, and look, it went through a beating. It's like all creased everywhere. It's all flattened out. So this one I am going to be using for a swap. I thought it would be really fun to build these little houses and put the items that I created into these little houses as packaging. So I am going to be opening and building these. So you get 25 boxes. You get the sticker sheet, some toothpicks, and some flags right here. I probably won't use those. So you see they do like little flags on the top of the house. I don't think it really needs it. So I probably won't be using those. I'll just build the little houses. So I'll do that with you guys on video. In that pending order waiting to get shipped was another one of these. I bought 2 of these. I thought they'd be really cute. I'm hoping that a ATC card will fit in here. So I got one for ATC cards, and then I got another one to use for a junk journal. I really, really want to do a Christmas junk journal this year. So that's why I got 2 of them. I only got 1 in. So we'll have to see how that works out. But these are going to be really cute to go ahead and use. And oh, I was hoping it would be like the others that showed you what came with it, but this actually has the instructions in the back. Does this say? No, it doesn't tell me. What a bummer. I liked how these said, you know, like how many pieces of ephemera, how many whatever. I was hoping that this said that, but I don't see that right offhand. So got that one. This one I was super stoked to get as well. Mini cards. I am not a card maker, so I thought doing miniature cards would probably be the best bet to go with and to try. So I'm really excited to try this. It does 10 cards, 10 envelopes, 119 pieces of ephemera. Like, just for the ephemera alone, these kits are so worth it, because I want to say they were definitely under $5. I want to say I paid $2.80 for them with the discount and my coupon. Does how much they were full price? No, it doesn't. So these kits are amazing. DCWV, oh my gosh, make more of these for like every season. Can you imagine like Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween? Oh, I would love these kind of kits for all the seasons. So really stoked about that. I got 2 of those mini card kits because I just had a feeling I'd really like those. And then this one I got 2 of because it was airmail. I love stamps and postage. I have my aunt like rip hers off of her mail and save them for me, because I don't know. I just think it's so cool. Like the different designs and all that. I just really love postage. So I got 2 of these. This is a card making kit as well. So this one makes 15 cards. It has the 15 envelopes, 178 pieces of ephemera. Ooh, a rub-on sheet. Cool. So it comes with the popsicle stick for the rub-on. And then it comes with baker twine and instructions. Oh, this is going to be really fun. Like I said, come back. I'm going to open all of these and make some of them with you guys on camera. I think it's going to be really fun to do. And then my last item I got, this one I remember was more expensive. I want to say this was like $6 maybe. This card kit was definitely more expensive than the other ones. And this one is a shaker card kit. So you go ahead and make these right here. It says you make 8 cards. So this has 8 cards, 8 envelopes, 186 pieces of ephemera, 8 pieces of acetate, because you need the acetate for each one of the cards. 8 pieces of foam again for each one of the cards, glitter, sequins, and instructions. So some of this I thought I can use for like not just for cards, but like to add like a layering piece. So I want to do like a little book to put some of the stuff in for my swap. And I thought this one would work well for that, because it doesn't look like it's cut off. Or like this one I could see even from online, that part of the snow globe right here is cut off because it's flat to make it that card. So that one I would make into a card, but like this one I think would just be really cute to use. Like if you're making like a little book or a little album, and then adding this on top of that, I think would be really cute as well. So that's what I'm going to do with some of this stuff. Like I said, come back, stay tuned. I will definitely be opening and assembling these with you guys. I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Let me double check. Yeah, that's everything. Oh, nope. One more. I got this card kit. So this was part of the Holly Jolly little collection that they had this year. I did order the 12x12, but that item was canceled. So yeah, I definitely got to go run out to my Joann's and see if they have anything left. But this one is super cool. After I was looking at it in person, I'm like, oh, I probably should have got 2 of these. So this makes 20 cards, 20 envelopes. There is 5 pieces of this printed paper. These designs are in the paper pack as well. I did get the 6x8. That was in haul number 1. So go check out my part 1 of my haul. And then this one has 76 pieces of ephemera, 60 stickers, and then like look, like this vintage Santa, so my vibe. This vintage little reindeer right here, again, love, so my style. So I cannot wait to open these all up, build some cards. I definitely need to go get some inspiration though. I am not a card maker, and I need very basic, very simple cards. If you make cards, let me know. Like definitely let me know about your channel. I would love to see and get some ideas. Or I'm thinking about maybe I need to go to Pinterest, or if you know a YouTuber that makes very easy, simple cards, definitely let me know. I definitely need some inspiration here on how to make some cards. So yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, do you guys order from Joann's, and is it always this chaotic? Because I cannot believe like how much they wasted in shipping by sending me all these packages. It just seems like so much work than it needs to be, you know? There was a store about 40 minutes from me that had literally everything I wanted. I was just lazy and not in the mood to go drive out 40 minutes there and then 40 minutes back home to get the items I wanted. So that's why I did the online shipping, because I purchased enough to get the free shipping. And it just seems like it would have been so much easier if they would have just done everything from the one store closest to me, instead of doing like a dozen different orders over multiple places. Like some of it came from like the East Coast, and some of it was like up in LA, which is like maybe like 2-3 hours from me. So I'm like, why did nothing come from my local one? You know, it was just wild to me how this all works. So I just feel like it was such a waste on their part and paying for shipping. So anyways, let me know, how are you guys doing with your online orders from Joann? Was yours as crazy as mine? Are you still waiting for stuff? Because like I said, today I think it's the last package that I'm going to get. The other two, I don't think I'll be getting. So anyways, that's my little story for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.